Hi, it's me again. Today's video is about unboxing. I'm getting a new backpack for my son. It's Samsonite Jefferson 17-inch. This is what I would normally bring when I'm traveling overseas. Traveling diary, a passport of course, a pen, a laptop, my SLR, and this one, the new one, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's start with the laptop. I'll put the laptop here because the middle pocket here, it's too small for my laptop. So I just put it right in here. So I'll start with passport. I'll put the passport right here. And pen right over here. Okay, so the zip pocket is just too small. So how about this? Since this is passport is important, so I just put inside the zip pocket. I'll put the diary in the back pocket, and there is another compartment in the back pocket. And this one is my DJI Osmo, and then my SLR. So everything fits, no problem. And for the bottom pocket, which is this one, bottom pocket, people say this is good if you put a water bottle. So let me grab a water bottle, see if it fits into this pocket. Right, this is a 700 ml water bottle. Let's see if it fits into the bottom pocket. Nah. Yep, I'm not a big fan. So I think I'm okay without the bottle. So again, like I said, the drawback is they don't have a pocket for water bottles. Lastly, let's do the measurement. The height from the bottom to the handle is approximately 47 centimeters. So in inches is about 18.3 inches. Let's measure the width is around 30 centimeters or less than 12 inches. And measuring the depth, let's start from here to here, 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. So that's the measurement. Now let's do a weight test. Okay, with everything I have, the camera, the diary, passport, laptop, etc. Now I want to do the weight test on this one. Okay, the weight test for this backpack is 4.24. So let's see what's the weight if I take everything off. With nothing inside, so the weight is about 870 grams or 0.87 kilogram. Okay, this is what it looks like when I wear it on my back. It's comfortable. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and if you find this video useful, always give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.